Oh, oh, oh. Hey, hey, there we go. Goodness, what in the world? Oh, it's gonna spool me off, man. We're done with this. Alright, bait stealers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be out here at the Dunes Park at the inlet side of the beach. And we're gonna see what exactly we can catch today. Now, it is a little windy today, so bear with me today. I'm gonna go try to find like some software to make the wind not be so bad. So we'll see what happens. But anyways, let's get to the fishing. I have 2 dozen shrimp, 1 dozen mullet. Let's get to it. Looking juicy today. We got a bunch of Osprey flying around this area, so definitely tells me that there's gonna be fish out here. We'll see, Day's still young, but we'll get to it. All right guys, so I went out onto Amazon and I purchased these what are called Hatteras sinkers. They're supposed to work like a Sputnik sinker, where this part right here sinks into the sand and holds in place. Yesterday I tried them out and they seem to work okay, but they still function similar to the to Sputnik sinkers. But the one added advantage is that whenever this pops off, this doesn't have any beads or rely on any bead systems, so there's no risk of losing tackle unnecessarily to the surf. But with Sputnik sinkers, you always have that risk of the beads falling off. So definitely I'm gonna switch to this, and I am for sure done with this. Here we go. Yeah, we're still on. We're still on. We're still on. Oh, come on! Don't tell me we got them off. I can't speak this morning. I think we lost him. Dang it. Alright, gonna get another shrimp and get back to it. Might be on. Yeah, no, maybe. Oh, yeah, we're on. Whatever it is, it's light. It's got a lot of head shakes. That's a good sign. Unless it's the weight dragging on the ground. I don't know. Ooh. No, there's definitely a tug. Definitely tugs. All right, finally got onto something. Kept losing the fish, but now we're on. It's small. Oh, hey, there we go. Thought it was a pompano at first. Just a jack. I'll take it. Get out here. Ow, it's got bottom fins. That's cheating. Alright guys, first fish of the day is a little jack. Nothing too special, but I'll take them every day. Very small. We're gonna go ahead and let this guy go and get back to the fishing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. Oh, man. It's been a minute. Oh, here we go. Feels like a decent fish, I think. Come on in. Come on in. Don't. Gotta be very gentle with these blues. That's what I'm thinking it is. Yeah, it's looking like a blue. Bring him on in. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa. Hey, 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 hey. Knock it off. Man, what was that? Oh my goodness. Getting attacked by the ospreys out here. Dang. Got them all bloodied up. Can't fault them though. They saw an opportunity and they tried to take it. Alright, come on. There we go. Alright guys, second fish of the day is a bluefish. Finally got on these bastards, but the ospreys came down and attacked him. This guy is most likely not going to survive, so we're going to throw him out, hope for the best. Let's get to it. This guy is 12 1/4 to the 4th, so pretty sure we could keep this, but we're not keeping the fish. Actually, yeah, we'll keep them. We can use them for shark bait, actually. Look at this guy. Get out of here. Yeah, we'll keep them. Put them under the bucket. Here we go. All right. All right, guys. So I think that in the state of Florida, when you're catching like game fish and stuff like that, you're not allowed to, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you're not allowed to use them for bait. Like you can't chum them up or cut them up, use them for bait. They have to be whole unless you take them home and then come back and freeze when they're frozen and stuff like that. So I'm gonna sit on that bluefish, save it for next week for beach fishing, see what we can do with that for next week. So always check your regulations and make sure that you're fishing right, or else you might just get a big hefty fine. On again. Nice heavy fish, I think. We got to make sure that these ospreys don't get a hold of it. Got some ospreys coming in. Yep, they've definitely seen what I've got. They're coming in to see. Oh, we're getting hit on the other rod. Just got a little tap. Oh, jumper. All right, come on, before the ospreys get you. Come on in. Come on in. Here we go. Fred's gonna get the bait, but that's okay. Nice bluefish. Look at them. Look at all of them up there. Oh my goodness. They're just ready. That one got a fish. Can't tell what kind. It's crazy out here with the ospreys, man. All right, calm down. Calm down. There we go. You're gonna be released. That's what's gonna happen. You're gonna get released. Calm down. It's almost done. We're almost through. There we go. Not a bad bluefish. If I was making some ceviche, this would definitely go home with me. All right. This is a 13-inch bluefish. All right, guys. Third fish of the day is a nice 13-inch bluefish. We're gonna go ahead and send him on his way. Hopefully the ospreys don't get him. All right. Are they looking? They got that one looking right there. That's the only one. All right, run for freedom, run. Go, go, go. What are you doing? What are you, oh no, he's stuck. He's stuck in the water. Oh no. Is he good? None of the ospreys noticed yet. We still try to go in and get him. There he goes. Okay, he's good. He just needed a minute. My goodness, what in the world? Oh, it's gonna pull me off, man. Oh, jeez. What is going on? What did we just hook up on? Oh, I saw it jump out of the water, but I didn't get a chance to see what it was. I'm at what? What? Luckily we didn't get spooled off. But what is this? Fred! Fred! What is this? Guys, look! We still have the bait and our tackle. What the heck? What is going on? I'm at a loss. Guys, like, I have no idea what just happened. What was that, Fred? What was that? Alright, let's cast this back out. See if we can do that again, like, or maybe not. I hope we don't do that again. Here we go. No, they're just playing with it. They're not actually eating the whole thing. Let's some slack. Oh, there we go. No? Ah, come on. See if they come for it again. Yep, they're on it. Just won't commit to eating the whole damn thing. There we go. Okay. Ooh, and this is. Oh, did we lose them? Nope, nope, nope. We got them still. These blues are pretty fun, man. Just gotta make sure ospreys are paying attention. All right, it's taking us down the beach. Try not to walk with them. Got some weight still, yeah. There he is. Another solid bluefish coming on in. Quit it. The calmer you are, the quicker this process goes, huh? Ah, come on. Stop swinging at me. Got in his peculiar part of his mouth. Let the circle hook doing its work. Come on. Stop. Don't slap me with your tail. This one's a little harder. Oh yeah, that's what it is. I know. Chill. There we go. Hopefully he's not too dinged up from that experience. Alright guys, fish number 4 for the day is another blue. Botched that little unhooking there, but as you saw, I slid the eye of the needle through his through the hole so that I can get him out. We'll go ahead and let this guy go. He's a little rough, but hopefully he'll make it. All right, buddy. Good. It's gonna need a minute before he heads back out. And there he goes. Perfect. Fred, that fish is way too big for you. That's way too big for you, Fred. Alright guys, so it's looking like this may be the last mullet we have. We might have one more, I'm not sure. That bucket is the bucket is pretty murky in there. But once we run out of mullet, we'll go ahead and head over to the pier so we can see what kind of fish we can catch over there and make a second video. We'll definitely try for some sheep's head, but I don't know. I don't think the sheep's head are going to be out today on the pier, but we'll see once we get out there. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for us today. I just ran out of my mullet, so we're gonna go ahead and head over to the pier, see what kind of action is going on over there, and that's gonna be in a second video. So if you guys have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for doing so. And if it's not too much to ask, and I've earned it today, please like and subscribe to this video, as that helps in growing this channel and in boost the algorithms as well. And if you would like to see more videos just like this in the future, hit the bell icon that's down below. That will notify you whenever I put out a new video. So in the meantime guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Guys, we got almost a big one, I think. Oh. Oh. I don't know if it's big or if it might run a small. Oh man, it's all feisty. Ooh. Oh yeah. Nice little sheep's head. All right, come here. Come here. About 11 and a half. This one's 11 and a half. Yeah, 11 and a half inch sheep's head. Not bad. That's how I find